Hello, so I wanted to just go over the drawings and explain. So I did two options. Both of the options are building out the wall and extending the wall so the stove is flush with the fan. And basically, this was the second option where washer dryer gable dishwasher 31-inch sink, so at 29-inch sink would fit. Sorry, 32-inch cabinet, so a 30-inch sink would fit. And then garbage pull out. These two cabinets, they're 9 inches wide, so one could be for cutting boards, one could be a pull-out for oils and spices. Also, both could be pull-outs for spatulas. This cabinet would be the deep cabinet that goes all the way down. These upper cabinets are also, in order to make this flush, they got to be very deep, so they're about 21 inches deep, so lots of storage in them as well. And so that's for this wall. And now going on this wall, I have a pantry, a fridge, and as you see, the fridge is sticking out quite a bit because it's the regular depth. So if you could use the counter depth, would be nice. A microwave, so these cabinets here, I made them deeper. They're 15 inches deep, so this is just a small microwave. Not this has to be the smallest microwave. They have one of those. If you want a model number, I can send you a picture. This way we don't have to do a shelf that's bumping out. It's a very nice and clean look. And also deeper cabinets for more storage. Pantry with adjustable shelving, and then six drawers on the side. So this was the first option. And now the second option is with the stainless steel hood fan, and basically this is also a nice option to keep it nice and open. That's this design. There you go. So here's this option, and basically this is more of an open space. So you have a stainless steel hood. Again, the wall is built out, and these cabinets are still the same. They're deep, so basically we just don't have the cabinets connecting the two. And I would do a nice backsplash behind the hood. So backsplash, in the back. So the backsplash would go in the back here, then step out, and then go all the way up, and this would be a very nice look. Same thing, two doors, two cabinets, 9 inches. So they're too small for drawers, but they'd be nice for pullouts. Could be just a door and a shelf for cutting boards, garbage can, sink cabinet, and washer and dryer. And then this side is also the same as previous one. What I wanted to adjust in here was another option for this pantry was like this. So put the drawers first, and then put an upper cabinet, custom, so wall. This would be 26 inches deep. Okay, and I just wanted to add to show you this sort of layout, and I think this would be a nicer layout because of the space, because of the usage of the drawers. And so that's 59. Okay. 59.5. So the way that this looks is I would do the drawers on the bottom like that. So this way you have the drawers, so it's easier to reach inside the pantry, and then have two tall doors with adjustable shelves inside. This is also a very deep cabinet. And again, now if we go to a counter depth fridge, we can see how much how much nicer that would look. So it opens up your space right away, and it doesn't block the walkway. Now when you open the doors, you still have a little bit of more room. So counter depth fridge, I know it's less storage, but for this sort of space, it's a nicer solution. So that's the second option. So if you guys want to review this, look it over, see what works best for you. This could be also doors, but like I said, I think it's a nicer, easier access to the whole thing. Now for this and this, I will email you separately the type of pullouts that's available. So one of them would be a spatula pullout, pullouts. Products. So I will email you that link separately, and then you guys can see what. Okay, let's spice pullout. So let's say, so one of these could be a cabinet like this, base cabinets. So there's the garbage bins. So just per lot recycling center, we have it 11 3/8. So we can do something like this. It's an interior dimension required 11. So one of these could be in here, or it could be a little bit of a different sort of setup. And again, I will email you those in a separate email. So this is another model like that. So this basically has two square bins, and that's also a pretty good solution. And for the base pullouts, we have base cabinets, and we can have a pullout like that. We can have a wood one. So this was the spatula pullout I was explaining. So this is very very liked by many clients because it stores everything. This is adjustable shelf, and you have storage on the bottom for oils. So very popular. And the second pullout would be sort of like this. So right side we can have, let's say, a 7-inch pullout on the right side. So that's nice for oils and again and stuff like that. And then you have one for all your spatulas. So left and right of the stove, I would recommend these. Then this is the garbage bin, and then there's another option for the garbage bin, which I'll email you this link so you can review and let me know which ones work best. And yeah, so this is the nice layout of the space. Lots of storage and sort of very functional. Thank you. Have a good day.